I'll take a pattern 15. Pattern 15, okay. So what I'm saying here, first display 5, then which one now? So 4 5, then 3 4 5, 2 3 4 5, 1 1 2 3 4 5. That's all. Love you. Okay, right. Let us try this one. Let us try this one. A new pattern, 15th pattern, guys. Let's go for this model. Right. So I'll take once. So first I take all 5 fives, guys. The next one, three times. Right. So it's also same like same I1, I1, I2, I3, I4, I5 like this. Right. And then let's take the J values also. This is our first one. This is the J1, right? First iteration, guys. Space coming. Then J2 space coming. Then J3 space coming. J4 space coming. Then K1 value is there. For K1, there is a value. There is a value. Okay. Next, which is what now? This is the K1. This is the K2. K1, then K2, and then K3, K3. K1, K2, K3, and then K4. Same previous one, guys. The previous pattern, almost same number of iterations, everything. Only the displaying is different part. Iterations wise, the same iterations. Displaying only the previous one 5 5 4 5 4 3 like that, but now in ascending order 5 4 5 3 4 5 like this. So this is the okay, the pattern. All of you, it's a pattern now, right? It's a pattern. So the same one, guys, here what are iterations are there, the previous one, no? The same when I value 1 j 4 times k 1 time, when I value 2 j 3 times k 2 times, when I value 3 j 2 times k 3 times, when I value 4 j 1 time k 4 times, when I value 5 no j, all case only, all case only. This program, let us try, guys. Directly we'll try without that iterations analysis. Directly we'll try, all of you. Okay, so this is what here, pattern number 14. 14, okay. This is 15, guys, right? This is the 15th pattern, not the 14. Maybe somewhere the number missed. Or 12 over. That is what here 13th pattern, and then this is the 14th pattern, and then this is what now 15th pattern. Okay, right. Same input, all of you. Enter n number of rows. Enter n number of rows to take the eval. Then n equal to okay. Right here for I in what, range of same 1 comma n plus 1, guys. 1 comma n plus 1. So in that one we'll take the for j in range of. So then j values, guys, first time 4 only, second time 3 only, second time 2, next time 1, next time no j values. So we'll take the 1 comma n same n plus 1 minus I, guys, plus 1 minus I, n plus 1 minus I, same like previous one only, because previous also spaces same, first 4 spaces or 3 spaces or 2 space 1 space, right? And the same analysis, guys. Now coming to which one here, here what I want to display space, right? Display what, space, display space. Okay, then for k in what here, k in range of all of you, range of here we can take like suppose starting I can take the 1, all of you. Then I plus 1, guys, you can think it of I plus 1. What does it mean? I tell you now, I tell you here. And the print, all of you, the print here, see, we can take same print, guys. We can take the same print only, which is the previous one. I tell you, guys, here what does it mean. I tell you here what does it mean. then print of what here, empty print. Okay, that's all. See, in the previous case and the present case, in both cases, what happened here? We're taking the same print, right? We are taking the same print, guys. Same print is taken. If you take the same printer, the same output must come. But why different output coming, sir? This is the previous pattern. This is the current pattern. So if you take the same input, same printer, then why different output coming means I'll tell you now. All of you tell you this one. Right. Let's compare both, guys. What is difference between these two? We'll compare. Okay. We'll compare both. Here, all of you, I values, then which value, j values, and then k values. Okay. Same, I is the one like every time. So when I is one, j how many times? Three times. Three na four na four times. Okay. Four times, guys. J four times, and k only one time. Only one time. So start 1 comma 1 I plus 1. What is the I currently? Currently what is I? 1, right? Okay. 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 2. 1 comma 2. End value 2. 2 before 1. So 1 to 1 means 1 will come, guys. What comes there? 1 will come. Next, when I value 2, guys, when I value 2, then j how many times? 3 times. But now k increase here. K must increase. Two iterations must come. But I value now? I value 2, right? I value 2. So 2 plus 1, 3. 1 comma 3. End value 3. Before 3, 2. That means 1, 2 will come. What comes here? 1, 2. Okay. 1, 2 will come, guys. All of you. So 1, 2 will come. 1, 2 will come here. All of you. Okay. Next, when I value 3, when I value 3, then j. What about the j here? What about the j? How many space comes? 2 spaces will come. And coming to k here, I value what now? I value 3, right? 3, guys. So 3 plus 1 means 4. 1 comma 4. End value 4. Before 4, 3. 1, 2, 3 means 1, 2, 3 will come. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3 will come, guys. Next, when I value 4, j, one time iteration, empty space will come. And the k, what about the k? So I value what now? 4. 4 plus 1, 5. 5. Okay. 4 plus 1, 5. 1 comma 5. End value 5. Before 5, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2. All of you. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's all. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, guys. Next up. When I value 5, then j, no iterations. Then k, when I value 5, guys. Okay. When I value 5, 5 plus 1, 6. End value 6. 6 before 5. Again. So 1, 2, 5. Means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 will come. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All of okay. In observe here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's all. Like this. So all of you observe in the previous case, what is displaying here? Observe all of you. What displaying here? First to 5. That is okay. First time 1, right? I1, J1, K1, I1, K1, I1, K1. Okay. Second time what is there? 5, 4, 5, 4, and 5, 4, 3, and 5, 4, 3, 2, and 5, 4, 3 to 1. That's why we are taking the j values like this, guys. K values like this, decreasing 2, 1, 3 to 1, 4, 3 to 1, 5, 4, 3, like that. But now what is displaying first to 5? Then which one is to 1? 4, 5, 4, 5. Next 3, 4, 5, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means so printing same is there. Okay. That j iterations, k iterations are generating different, guys. Because I want display in descending order here. descending order 5432, 5432, like that. That's why we all generated with one descending order, guys. Descending order generated there. But now displaying what ascending order 5, then 4 5, 3 4 5. That's why we generated what k values ascending order. That's all, guys. But printing same n plus ki, n plus ki minus I, the same, guys. All of you. So all of you guys, everybody's clear this one? Okay, right. So fine, guys. These are the some of the patterns. Okay, and we'll try some more patterns also, guys. We'll try some more patterns also. I plan to complete n number of patterns, guys, not 10, 15, 20. Okay, as much as possible with the numbering, with stars, or with characters. Okay, with characters, we try to finish more number of patterns.